What is its function?
It's to commemorate the first Japanese immigrants to come to Hawaii.
Yeah, and they dedicated it in 1968, right?
The first 100?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so piss on the other ones, which is the first 100, huh?
Where is she? Oh, there she is. She's taking in all the nature.
I love trees. I literally love trees. Today we saw a tree. It looked like the capillaries of a lung slice. And then now these, they're nice and smooth and peeled, and I think they're just, it's beautiful. I love trees.
Magnificent temples represent the Byodo-In temple built at Byodo-In, Japan over 950 years ago. Finding anything you like?
Yeah, well, a couple things.
There's a lot of stuff in there.
There's a lot of stuff in here. I found a bowl.
Oh, she found them.
I love this one.
Find some goodies.
I got some treats. I think I'm getting hungry. I gotta get this crew over to some food. And we do have a chocolate factory tour to take.
My mom was like, I told my mom that when we were on the bus, she said, chocolate factory, you have to buy me something.
We'll buy her something.
It's
Our
really
hairs
cool.
are frizzy.
Frizzy.
If you share with the gods will share with you. I think that's how that works.
Oh, she stopped. I'm just gonna keep going. I'm just gonna keep going. We're gonna go what?
We're gonna go broke.
I can see us being like hellish chickens just going around in circles.
And then this is our Kona Hawaii. So this is going to be our starting point.
So that bean that you just ate out of it.
You have the best job.
Oh.
So as soon as you start grinding down.
Yeah. Exactly.
You're right.
I know.
There's a
I mean,
disconnect.
don't get me wrong. I would pay money to see a cocoa tree in the Alps, but like, so it's literally just the shell. So you guys, this is a roasted cocoa bean. You've got the outer shell and the nib.
So the shell we actually upcycle to make a chocolate tea, and then the nib goes on to make chocolate. And then we also offer a brewing chocolate, which is another drinkable chocolate, which is what you're enjoying now. And that's basically just a crushed version of all of this. So this is a regional blend made with cacao from 3 small farms within Ko'olaupoco.
Yeah, but that's completely different than what I just ate. This is from your land. Tell me what you like.
This is actually one of my personal favorites. This is gonna taste like fudge and brownies.
Yeah.
It's got a cherry syrup tasting note in there.
That's exquisite. I love it. High winds up in this place. High winds. It's windy over here.
I love Hawaii. Oh, there's Chinaman's hat. Right out there. That's we're staying right by Chinaman's hat.
All the way out there. Looks like a Hershey's Kisses.
3.5 hours you can get around the whole island.
Yeah.
Huh?
From here, it seems like we're like years away.
We had a good day.
Yeah, it was a very good day. After that, I went straight to eating.
For some reason, I thought it was called Coco, but I think you're right. Kona.
Kona.
Konas.
Kona, there we go. See?
I had pig,
It's on my side.
but it was.
But
really
did you
good
say
pig.
pork, not pig?
It was pig.
It's pork, and it's yummy.
Hi, there you are.
I know, I was like, I don't know where she's going.
At all times,
Nobody there.
if you happen to drop an item.
Don't bring a bag. That's naughty.
Yeah. I wasn't expecting this at all.
No, me either.